Murray caught at low level bridge. We've got another cod in the river out of here. Woo! Woohoo! Alright guys, finally back out after not fishing for a whole fortnight, I think. So, starting off with the whack spinnerbait. Love them lures from the whacked fish in Australia, and yeah, get them from the fishing shed Bathurst from Coley. But yeah, we're out here today, a little bit late than I normally would get out here, but it's still a bit early for the surface bite, so we should be okay. Anyway, I'll get back to you. Hopefully we can get on and get onto a few cod. I'm probably going to do some trout fishing tomorrow. Finally chase some trout after all this time. So, yeah. Anyway, I think Kelly's got a hit, so hopefully he hooks up and we're back. You! That's it, first cast in this hole. Oh, it's only a little one, but first cast in this hole, bro. We always know there's one in here.
I don't even have my camera set up yet.
Oh, I wish I was filming for that first cast.
Holy shit.
He's doing a bit of a jump. I just used the line to pull him over on the mud. How good's that, guys? First cast in this hole.
Oh. Fuck, mate.
What's that?
He's hurt.
You probably bush from another hole because that's all mud.
Look at that. No.
Yeah, he wasn't running into the sticks or anything. So
yeah, no. I don't. No, you haven't hurt him. Like, look, he's been here.
Yeah, he's been booked by another cod.
That.
There we go, guys. I'll get a good look at him in a sec for you. I'll get him unhooked. You. Right, guys. Give you a look at him. He swallowed it that hard. It was hard to get them hooks out then, but we got him out. That's all that counts. Have a look at that, guys. Beautiful. First cast into this hole. And he wants to go straight away. Off he goes. Beautiful. There we go, guys. You on the board. Alright, guys. Down here at Fish River today. After a good day yesterday, we only got the one cod, but it was still good to get out over the long weekend in Easter. I hope everyone's enjoying their Easter long weekend. But yeah, now we're going to mix it up, and haven't chased trout for a while, so it's going to be good to get out. Starting off with this diver from the fishing shed Bathurst. Sort of forget their names. Coley will be able to tell you what they are. Anyway, I'm going to go down and get into it, and hopefully we can get something. You. Alright, let's get it out there, guys. I saw some movement already. Good old fishy rivers. Yeah, drag's good. Old main hole here too. Yeah, the floods always keep changing it around, eh? Alright, Zacco was just on.
Yeah, there he is there, he's just gone that way.
Nice, good to know. Zacco was on. Let's start recording just in case.
Dropped one. Yeah, it's a pretty good hole.
Alright guys, I just dropped one, so I'll start recording, because as I try and turn the camera on, that's how he got off. So let's hopefully we can get another one on. He was only little baby. Should come across a fair few little babies at the moment. The big guys will be around, but they should start hitting once it gets a little bit cooler. There's only a little tucker. Yep. This is where it all starts. I am sick of this weed. Come on. Yeah, landed this one. Oh, there we go, guys. We got one. It's been a tough mission. All right. Oh, Coley's lure did the trick, guys. Try and get him into the water real quick. Oh, he's hooked in the eye. Hang on, I'll get back to you guys. There you go, guys. Nice little rainbow. Finally landed one. Took a while. Let's get him back. And beautiful quick release. Because it's still nice and warm. How good's that? Finally, guys, on the board. It's been a bit of an effort today. Oh, we've walked pretty far, I tell you that. But it's good to be on the board. Anyway, switched divers from what I was on earlier today, guys. By the way, I thought I'd let you know this is the one that did the damage again from the fishing shed Bathurst. Coley will let you know what sort of lure that is. Anyway, thanks, guys. Yeah, similar size to the last one. Yep. Going nuts. I landed him. Just get him. That's it. Let's get him unhooked quickly, guys, and we'll get him straight back in the drink. Oh, finally landing them at the moment, though. Give you a look. There you go, guys. Nice little rainbow. Let's get him back in. Oh, he's trimmed straight off. Beautiful. Alright, there's two, guys. Coming up back, he just got one. Get back to you.
Board, guys.
We're on the board, Zach. He's on the board. He's already dropped two and now he's landed one. How good, guys?
Awesome.
That's 3 landed today and they're swimming off good at the moment, so that's good.
I'm not bored, boy.
Alright, it's definitely starting to get dark now, guys, so we're going to pin it back in a minute. We've had some action today. Kelly's dropped a few, Zach's dropped a few, I've dropped a few, and then got luckily landed 2, I did, and then Zach landed 1. So 3 fish all up landed. Still a bit slow as it was nice and warm today. Gave us a bit of summer weather again today. But once it cools right off, the fish will start coming back on the bite. And then, yeah. Yeah, straight across right there. But yeah, it should start popping off soon, the trout fishing, in the next couple of weeks. And once it starts cooling right down, and we'll definitely start getting into more trout fishing again. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Give us a like and subscribe. You.